Hey, APUSHers, with 71 days left before the APUSH exam, this is what I would do to make sure that I was prepared. I would make sure that I fully understood how to answer the first short answer question. So over the last couple days and into the future, we're going to be going through each of the components of the APUSH exam in depth. So today I want to go through short answer question number 1. This is one that is going to be based off of secondary source or secondary sources. Now, this is one I call dueling historians, because historically, for the last however many years, this question has always been 2 different excerpts from historians about the same topic. So this sample comes from the course and exam description, which you can find online by Googling APUS History CED. And what you're going to find on page 530 is a sample of short answer question number 1, where we see 2 historians commenting on the emergence of women in the public sphere at the turn of the century. So what you're going to need to do, almost always for part A, you need to describe a difference between the historians. What are they saying and how is it different? So for this one, I encourage students to give one summary statement. The historians differ in their interpretation over blank. Historian 1 believes this, historian 2 claims this. So it's going to be about a 3-sentence answer. And then for part B, you need to come up with specific evidence that historian 1 could have used to support their argument. So historian 1 could have used blank to support their argument. This would have supported their argument because, and then explain why. And then part C is going to be doing the same thing, but for historian number 2. In my years of being an AP grader, I have found that students are too brief in this SAQ. They don't explain enough. And so that's what I really want to encourage you to do, is to really try to get to that 3 sentences for each of the parts A, B, and C to ensure that you're fully explaining the connection between your evidence and their interpretation and fully explaining the difference in their interpretations. So today, February 29th, 2024, we are 71 days out from the APUSH exam. And today I would make sure that I understand the aspects of short answer question number 1.